Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Thompson, and in this video, I want to show you how you can protect your Okex account from hackers. Okay. Now, if you don't protect your Okex accounts, then you should know that your account is open to hackers and they can steal your BTC from your wallet without your consent. Okay. Now, I'm making this video because I've come across a whole lot of guys crying about how they stole their BTC from their wallets, some USDT, Ethereum, their crypto in general. Okay, how it was being stolen from their wallet, and the reason is because their wallet was not properly secured. Okay, so I wouldn't want you to go through that trauma of losing your hard-earned money. So I'll be taking my time to show you the step by step on how to protect your Okex wallet from scammers and hackers. Okay, so first and foremost, what you need to do is this: you come up here. Okay, you click on your profile. Now, when you click on your profile, it's going to bring you to this interface. All you just need to do is to scroll up here where it says security. Okay, then you click on it. Okay, now when you click on security, it's going to bring you to this interface. Then you come down here where it talks about two-step verification. Okay, now this two-step verification gives you the opportunity to put up some security features to make sure, okay, that your wallet is protected. So if it is turned off, okay, if it is turned off, make sure you put it on. Okay, if it is turned off, make sure you put it on. Okay, so what you need to do is this: you can see here it says mobile verification and Google Authenticator verification. Okay, now before anybody will be able to steal or to withdraw any coin out of my wallet, Okex will have to send me a verification to my mobile number, so I will confirm if truly I'm the one carrying out that operation on my account. Okay, and secondly, there's a Google Authenticator here which I've downloaded on my phone. So for me to carry out any withdrawal out of my account, a code, okay, I have to pick a code from my Google Authenticator and paste it, okay, on my withdrawal portal on Okex. Don't worry, I'm going to go to that particular part and I'm going to show you practically step by step on how you can do that. Okay, but I'm just trying to explain to you how it actually works here. So I will need to get a code from my authenticator and paste it into that withdrawal portal before I would be able to make a withdrawal from my Okex account. Or for the scammer to be able to make a withdrawal, the scammer should be able to have access to my Google Authenticator, and which will be very, very difficult because the authenticator has to be domiciled on my phone. Do you get it now? Okay, so I'll just go straight down to the practicals and show you exactly how this thing works. Because if you don't have this two-factor enabled on your phone, you don't have this Google Authenticator, this mobile verification, believe you me, they can easily, your coin can easily be stolen. Okay, personally, it happened to me when I was using I've forgotten the name of the app now, but there's a particular app I was using in 2019, and my crypto was stolen because I was not aware of how to set up all those security parameters then. Okay, so let's go back to the wallet proper. You can see I have 74.66 USDT here. Okay, so I'm just going to try to withdraw let's say $20 out of this account. Okay, so we're going to take the position of a scammer or a hacker now to try to withdraw this fund out of my account, and you're going to see the verification that Okex will be demanding from whoever that is trying to make the withdrawal from my account. Okay, so we're going to click on here now. Let's click here. Okay, we'll click here. It's going to bring us to this interface. You can see I have 74, like I rightly said. So we're going to click on withdrawal, assuming we want to make withdrawal from this account. Then we'll click on withdrawal. Now when you click on withdrawal, it's going to bring you to this interface. You can see I have like I rightly said 74 USDT here. We'll click on it again. Okay, so now it brings us to this interface where we'll be able to make the withdrawal. So I am expected to put in my wallet address here, the wallet address that I'm about to make this withdrawal into. I'm expected to put it here, okay, and put the amount here, okay. So let me quickly go to my Binance account and get a USDT wallet address from there, okay. So now I'm going to paste the TRC wallet address I just got from Binance here. Okay, assuming this is a wallet address I want to send the 20 USDT to, then I'll come down here and I click on 20, right? So you can see I'll be charged 0.8 USDT, which is not our primary concern here. But okay, I need to put the network I want to use to send it here. Then I'll click up here. Then I'll choose USDT TRC 20. Okay, then I click on submit. Okay, I click on submit. So you see, as soon as I click on submit, for this withdrawal to go through, I'm expected, like I rightly showed you earlier, to get an email verification here. Do you see? I'm supposed to get an email verification from my email, which means that I have to click on this send. Then a 6-digit code will be sent to my email address. Now I have to get that email address, that 6-digit code from my email, from my email, and paste it here. And also you can see we have one other verification process here, which is mobile. Okay, so if I click here now, I'm expected to get about 6-digit code on my mobile phone, okay, as a text message. Then I will impute that 6-digit code in here, okay, for me to be able to make this withdrawal. Also, I can decide to switch to Google Authenticator, which I showed you earlier. You can see. Let me click on the Google Authenticator here. So you see, I'm expected to get authentication code from my Google Authenticator and paste it here for this withdrawal to go through. So you can imagine I have like 3 layers of security here. One, email. Second, Google Authenticator. And the third one is my SMS. Okay. So let me just go to my Google Authenticator and show you how it looks like. So you need to download this Google Authenticator, okay, from the Play Store and get it connected to your Okex wallet. So if I click on this Google Authenticator here now, I'm going to come down here, okay. So you see where it says Okex here. When I click on this Okex, you can see the 6-digit code that it actually gives to me. I'm expected to copy this code and then go back to my Okex wallet and paste that code here, okay, and also paste the code for the email verification here, which if I click on this send here now, okay, let's go to my mail. You can okay, and paste it here. So if I click on this confirm button here now, if I click on this confirm button here now, the withdrawal will go through, okay. But let's assume that this operation was about to be carried out by a scammer or by a what do I call it, by somebody that is not authorized to actually operate this account. If the person does not have access, okay, to my email address, does not have access to my Google Authenticator, does not have access to my SMS messages, then the withdrawal or the transaction will definitely not go through. Okay, so it is very, very advisable that you have 3 layers of security on your BTC or your crypto wallet, okay, for you to keep your accounts and your crypto secured on Okex, okay. So let's even assume that the person has access to my email address, okay. But if the person is able to get the code from my email address, but if the person does not have access to my Google Authenticator, yet the transaction will not go through, okay. So you see how important it is, most especially for you to get the Google Authenticator on your phone and are connected to your Okex account, so that your crypto will be very, very safe. Now, if you have those 3 layers of security, you can actually go to bed with your eyes closed, believing that your crypto is safe on Okex, okay? Because I've seen situations where some people just have only email as the only security layer on their account, and that is very, very dangerous, because you can just lose the whole of your crypto. Your Google or your whatever, your Yahoo Mail can be hacked. That can be easily hacked, and if it is hacked, then definitely the hacker have access to your Okex wallet. And for you to avoid that, you just need to get the Google Authenticator and the SMS also. Okay, so this is very, very important for you to keep your cryptos secured and safe. Okay, I want to believe that you actually got value from this video. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also click that notification button so that when next I post another important video like this, you need to be the first to see it. Okay, I really appreciate you taking your time to watch this video. Remember to subscribe. Take care of yourself, and bye bye.